Hey everyone, good morning. My name is Vishvadeep and I welcome you all on Unacademy Computer Science channel for unlimited learning. We were discussing some HR round questions for your interview preparation so that you can learn how to answer these kind of questions effectively and how to impress the interviewer. The questions are like that which are directly from your own life, but when we don't think about such kind of questions, then these may impact negative on the interviewer. So we are trying to get answers in the easy way for such kind of questions so that we can impress and we can grab the job without any tension and fuss. Let's start the session, but before we start the session, let me introduce myself. My name is Vishvadeep Gothi. I work as a channel leader for this channel and as a plus educator also on Unacademy platform. I have written GATE exam multiple times. This is rank, masters, 14 plus years of teaching experience of engineering and 11 plus years of teaching experience of GATE. ये पूरा experience, all these experiences and entire knowledge I have grabbed, I try to transfer it to you guys through this channel and through Unacademy platform. Go and check out once again, Unacademy platform also for the free classes. These classes are named as special classes. So how to access these? Just create your account on GATE ESE category on Unacademy platform, either unacademy.com on the web or on the Unacademy Learner app. Once you create your account, you follow my profile. Under my profile, you'll be having special class section. You can access all my previously taken special classes and upcoming classes also from there. Live, you can attend all those upcoming classes. Here is the link. On this link also, you can access all my previously taken classes also. If any kind of unlock code is needed, use this code VDEEP10 to unlock all the free special classes. If you are targeting that you should prepare for GATE just because you want to learn the courses in the detailed manner, all the computer science core courses, along with that you are preparing for placement also, this is the best opportunity to take Unacademy Plus subscription for you, just because along with GATE preparation, the placement preparation is complimentary. You don't need much of the extra things to prepare and everything will be included in your GATE preparation itself. Programming, data structures, algorithm, DBMS, operating system, COA, computer network, and mathematics and aptitude too. So everything is included in GATE preparation if you really want to prepare for placement too. And GATE preparation can be more effective and efficient if you take Unacademy Plus subscription. There you will be getting live classes along with the top educators of country, plus weekly test structured courses, unlimited access of all the batches, and moreover, this plus subscription will be such organized and structured that you will have to just follow and follow and follow, learn and learn and learn. Your time will be utilized really very well, and if you put enough efforts, definitely your rank will be better. If you want to go for even more personalized and customized preparation, then we have iconic plans for you guys. This iconic plans will have Unacademy Plus subscription included, means plus benefits included, and having a personal coach, an expert who is a GATE topper, who can give you one-on-one guidance, who will give you preparation strategy, customize a study plan. Your performance will be tracked, the extra booster session, personalized test analysis, and you'll be getting dedicated doubt clearing educators, and you'll be getting personalized notes and practice sets also. So these things are included in iconic apart from plus benefit. Whichever subscription you want to take, plus or iconic, multiple durations, different duration subscription plans are available. Whichever plan is best suited for your preparation, take it and use this code on the checkout page VDEEP10. When you use this code, in general you get 10% discount instant, but there is an offer is if you take subscription in between 14th to 16th of March, means today and tomorrow more, then you will be able to get discount of 20%. My dear friend, yes 20%. That is once in very rare chances that you will be getting extra discount. So 20% discount, plus if you use this code, you'll be getting my personal guidance, my team's support, and you will be able to get your preparation done under my guidance. New course are also starting. My course is starting from 23rd March, 3 to 5 p.m. will be the timing on COA, Computer Organization Architecture on Unacademy Plus. So what you will get over there: PYQ discussion, weekly test, almost 11 quizzes I will be conducting in this particular course, and the quizzes, all the quizzes are amazing. Those quizzes are very high quality questions, daily practice problems, and lots of things you'll be getting. More than 350 questions you'll be getting for entire course. And you have lots of other batches also started, so you just take the subscription and as soon as possible start the preparation. So many students ask me a simple question: sir, can we get good rank without plus subscription? Yes, possibility is there, but probability is very less, just because people cannot put double efforts to have very high rank without guided preparation. Guided preparation makes your efforts less and makes your rank with that efforts higher. So it's like you'll have to put double time. If somebody is learning 6 hours, 7 hours, you'll have to put 12 hours a day to match up with that fellow's skill. Then to lots of things you will only have to figure out. To figure out the things correctly, sometimes you may go wrong, and because of that your rank may be reflecting that problem. So it's all same, that it is simply guidance, guided study, and your learning which will make you better and better and better. Chale. Okay, let's start the session. But before we start the session, same question I used to ask: should we go ahead with that? Sir, your YouTube classes ठीक है ना? देखिए, YouTube classes हैं तो अच्छी, बट उन क्लासेस से आपको सिर्फ लर्निंग मिलेगी कि टॉपिक क्या होता है, कैसे होता है, टॉपिक से क्वेश्चन कैसे सॉल्व होते हैं, ये हमने यहाँ नहीं सिखाया है। ये आपको खुद से सीखना है। अगर आप लोग सीख सकते हो तो अच्छी बात है। आपको ऐसा लगता है हाँ हम सर सीख जाएंगे, कोशिश करके देख लो। बहुत सारे लोग करते हैं, आप भी कर लीजिए, मुझे उसमें कोई आपत्ति नहीं है। आपका डिसीजन है, आपको क्या करना है, इट्स योर लाइफ। चलिए, डीआरडीओ के लिए कितनी रैंक चाहिए? अगर डीआरडीओ आपको गेट के थ्रू कॉल करता है तो अंडर 500 तो चाहिए ही चाहिए। चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट द सेशन। तो आज का जो पहला क्वेश्चन है वो है ये रहा। दिस इज द वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे। वुड यू लाइक टू वर्क ओवर टाइम और ऑड आवर्स? If let's say in the company you are having 9 hours of job, 9 to 5 or 9 to 6, but if to accomplish your task you'll have to work overtime, or in the odd hours, let's say in the overnight time, or in the early morning time, or maybe on the weekends, would you like to do that? So what should be your answer? If an interviewer asks this question to you, what should be your answer? एक एडवाइस याद रखिएगा, whatever you are doing with your life, please don't take big risks. Okay, that okay, I'll do this, I'll try to do this, I'll try to do this by own, etc. Don't try to take big risks. If the risk will not pay off, then me and you both will not be happy, very happy, and the regrets are not good for the life. So whatever you do, be sure that I want to do this and I will surely do this only, and do that particular thing with too much passion and too much motivation. Whatever you decide for your own career, just because that is gonna be long lasting for next 20, 30, 40 years, that is only affecting your start of the session or start of the learning. No sir, I don't like to work overtime, but sometimes it's essential, then I would like to do. Okay sir, I need your help, I didn't pass this year GATE exam, what to do? If you didn't pass, then why? What was the reason? You need to come to my special classes to discuss about your problems. Yesterday also I have taken it. Okay, if somebody asks you a question, would you like to work overtime or odd hours, you will have to answer in such a way that it will not be in the favor also, it will not be in the against also. You cannot say very firmly that no, you cannot say very firmly yes, yes, I am always ready. दोनों के लिए हाँ नहीं कर सकते. You can't say yes for anything that no, I will not work, or yes, I will work. You'll have to answer it in such a way that, sir or ma'am, if the company and the team's requirement at certain period of time is like this, that my expertise are needed to work overtime or in odd hours, I would be delighted to do that. Of course, it is very, very crucial case only when my manager or my team members are asking me to work overtime or in odd hours. Then only they are approaching me to work in these hours. Hence, I will be delighted to work definitely in those kind of circumstances, in odd hours also, in sometimes overtime also. And one more thing, that I would be very, very happy in that situation that the team and the manager is actually feeling like I am capable of doing those responsible tasks. Then only they are assigning me those tasks in the odd hours and overtime. So I will be very, very happy in that situation, just because I got an opportunity to prove myself, and I got an opportunity to prove again that I am a worthy team member. This way, you will say yes, jab crucial time hoga, whenever the crucial time will be, you will be able to go overtime or odd hours, but it will be in some such circumstances only. So interviewer will understand that, okay, in some circumstances you are agreed, and those circumstances are those only where your expertise are only needed. Means you are taking yourself in the positive frame of mind that you are really good technically, or you are very sound in your skills, and those skills are needed by the team. That's why you are working. Fine. So you can project yourself that yes, if I am needed in odd hours or overtime hours, means of course my expertise are needed. It is not because I could not accomplish my task within the deadline and that's why I'm extending. It is not like that. So you are projecting yourself in the very, very positive manner, plus you are projecting yourself in such a manner that yes, you are a very crucial member. That will help you a lot in your answer. So whatever the answer, whatever the framing of the answer I have done here, you just write down in your notes, so that if such kind of question comes in your HR round, definitely you should answer like that way only. So sometimes whenever it is needed, whenever my expertise are needed, yes, I will be delighted to work over extra hours or overtime. Hope you guys are getting my point here. Chalo. Next thing, what is more important to you, the money or the work? Another question. See, the way you frame the answer of these questions, that reflects your character. And in the HR round, what happens? They judge your character, your attitude, that are you up for extra work? Are you up for learning? Are you up for opportunities? Are you not restricting yourself? Are you not, are you in the, office politics, or just work, into work and work and work? That kind of thing they are actually judging through these kind of questions. Okay, another question. What is more important to you, the money or the work? Tell me, what is your answer? No answer? How is data science work life will be? Depends where you are working. See, work life balance depends on two things. One, your job, amount of job you are doing or kind of job you are doing, and second thing is how good you are to complete your task. If you waste a lot of time in the daytime, definitely your life will not be very easy. I don't like to work freely because this will make fun of my knowledge. Okay. Okay, fine. See, you will have to answer such questions like that way. Sir, of course, money is very important, but for me, both are equally important. The amount of money I am getting is directly proportional to the kind of work I am doing. So it is like these two are complementary of each other or complement of each other. If my work quality is good, if I am getting good quality of work from the office and I am able to do it, accomplish it, definitely the company will pay me good amount. So first of all, I need to project myself as a good worker, good employee. I need to have a good quality of work and good opportunities in the work so that I can use my expertise and my skill set and my technical knowledge to accomplish that task. Hence, that will directly convert into the money. I will be more satisfied with both the things. If I'll be doing quality of work, I'll be very happy and satisfied at the end of every day, every week, every month. And certainly it will transform the amount of work or the quality of work I am doing, that will be directly transformed into the money I will be getting. So both are important. If I work more, I'll get more money. If somebody is giving me more money, I'll get little more extra motivated to accomplish my task quickly within the deadline. So work will be more. This is the answer you are going to give for such kind of questions. Sir, with work, can I prepare for GATE exam? Of course. How to manage it? Just go to this channel's video section. In the video section, you have a video how to prepare for GATE for the professionals or working professionals. There is a video last months I have recorded. Just check it out. Today I will buy, okay, GATE preparation after getting subscription. Can I get your class? Yes, of course you can get. As soon as you get the subscription, 11:15 a.m. there is a plus class. Come over there, I will help you out. Okay, should we go for the next one? What is the objective of you in your life? What is your long-term objective of the life? Like, okay, if somebody asks me what is my objective, I am having an objective that I want to become a teacher whom every computer science student can refer for their quality learning, whether they are preparing for GATE or for their semester exams, for almost all the computer science courses. That is my objective. I want to reach to each and every student of this country, and I want to convey my knowledge to them so that they can learn the courses, they can learn the topics in detail, they can utilize that knowledge for their career building activity. That is my career objective. I am up to certain level, I am able to fulfill it, but still there are lots of students to whom I want to reach. Abhik Kumar, go to this playlist and go to the playlist section of this particular channel and go to the operating system playlist. In the operating system playlist, start a video of process management. The very first video of process management, you will understand what is a stack versus heap in detail. Go and check it out. Operating system playlist is there. In that, process management. If you don't get anything in process management first video, then go to the second video. Mostly it is in the first video itself. to gain all the knowledge in my field and to become an expert in my field. What is your field? New India. You should be little precise in this. See, it is objective, what you want to achieve. Like I told, this is my career objective. I want to reach to that level or this level or something. One more thing. Here, you can't say that, sir, I want to acquire knowledge by working in your company so that I can open my own company. The interviewer will reject immediately. If interviewer knows that your objective is to leave the company early, then they will not hire you. Every company will have to bear you for 2, 3, 4 months just to train you for the working environment and etc to work in the industry. After that, they will take the work back. So if you will not stay for a long time in the company, it is a money waste for the company, and hence they will not hire you. So if you are giving interview for a company, you will have to show your own objective of life to them. What kind of answers you can give? Sir, I am kind of interested in artificial intelligence, and I have seen that your company is also working in the same domain and you are also hiring for the same job profile. I would like to excel my skills and my knowledge into artificial intelligence domain so that one day I can reach to that particular level where I can also help and lead a group of packs in this particular domain in your company. Or I can reach to that particular level over there. I can help the freshers or the new employees to learn and work together. I want to build a team of artificial intelligence engineers, that strongest team which can build new things, which can have innovations, new ideas, creative ideas, can help the company as well as the community as well as the country and entire world in terms of sustainability and opportunity. So you have to answer like this way, that what is your objective? Take out some time from your regular life, some 15-20 minutes, half an hour, and write a good objective. See, whatever you write in your resume, the very first 2 lines, what is your career objective? I want to use my technical skills and dedicated hard work skills to excel in my field, to reach to certain level, etc. These are just to write in the resume. When you talk, you will have to be realistic. Your talks should be realistic. Whatever you are speaking should be realistic. Of course, see, sometimes it happens that after 2 years you understand that no, I'll leave this objective which I have set for my target and I'll go towards this just because I have developed certain different kind of skill set or different kind of interest. It might possible after 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, it may change. But you need to have some kind of realistic objective. Okay, so you need to prepare some kind of such kind of realistic objective lines. So prepare a 3 to 4 line objective, and that you can utilize for the answering the question. Hope you guys are doing it. And one more thing, again and again I am asking, whatever the questions we are discussing here, please write down these questions and their appropriate answers which are matching for you in your notes, just because whenever the interviews will come, at that time you can revise these notes and you can recover all those knowledge from your lost memory again, so that you will not have to rewatch these lectures again and again and again completely, and you can access these things appropriately. You will not have to actually construct the answers again. Whatever the answers you are constructing right now along with me, those answers you can write down in your notes to utilize for the later purpose. Chalo, another question. Explain how would you be an asset to this organization? What should be your answer? I'm waiting. You are a gem, really brilliant teacher. With the help of you, we are preparing for GATE. See, everything is perfect. Only thing which I would love to hear from you is, sir, we did it. My respect, love for me from your end, everything I admire. Thank you so much for that. But the maximum the maximum happiness or satisfaction the words will give me from your end will be what? Sir, I did it. We made it. Whenever you will say thank you for that, I will be most delighted. जब भी आप लोग कहेंगे सर हो गया, एडमिशन हो गया, I got the admission, I got this, I got that, at that time I will say yes, I will accept your thank you with open hearts. चलो बताओ क्या आंसर आएगा इसका? What will be the answer? Explain how would you be an asset to this organization? क्यों ले तुमको, बताओ. Why should I hire you? How you can prove or how you can say that you will be an asset to the organization? Tell me, what is the answer for this question? बताओ, what will be the answer? नो आंसर, नो एनी आंसर. ऐसा कैसे चलेगा? कंपनी तुमको क्यों हायर करेगी? Why any organization will hire you if you don't have any quality at all? अरे सर बस ले लो हमको, हम कर देंगे, जो आप बोलोगे वो कर देंगे. This way it will not work, right? I will do my proper work always. I think you have to give me an opportunity first. Okay, Sainath, again the same thing. Yesterday, in most of the times, I told you guys a quote, right? The quote is very simple, that if you are a good runner and you ask for a shoe, people will give you shoe. But if you ask the shoe in order to start running, nobody will give you. So it's all about, you will have to first prove before asking the opportunity. I am having lots of things good. Now you give me the job. Right? So what you will have to give here is your skill set. You will have to project. Sir, as per your requirement of the role, you need a Java developer. And as you can see in my resume also, I have mentioned that I have learned Java in my college time, and after that I have developed 2 projects also in the same. I do have a good hands-on practice on Java programming, and I do have 1 internship experience also in this. Or you can narrate the story like this way. Sir, as per the company's policy, companies having lots of projects in different domain, and as per my understanding, the company is having lots of projects on the .NET language, which is my expertise also. So it will match with my personality, my expertise, my skill set, and I will be happy to take any project on the .NET language, and it can suit my skill set also, it can suit the company's requirement also. So for the perfect match, of course, it will be a great win-win situation for both, for the company, for me, and hence I can prove myself as an asset to the organization. Another thing you can project here apart from the technical knowledge is your soft skills also. Sir, I am the person always seek for perfection along with completing the deadlines, and I am always delighted to announce this, that while preparing for my college exams preparation or any other thing, I was always able to complete or accomplish my deadlines with a good quality learning. It reflects in my CGPA also, you can see that. So if any kind of work will be given to me, I will always be able to finish it within the deadline, just because I'm a very dedicated, hardworking individual. Because of these qualities, you can rely and you can give me an opportunity so that I can prove myself an asset in the organization. Hope you guys are fine with this. So you will have to talk about your technical skills here. If something is matching directly with the job profile, or if you are really good in few of the technical skills, like you can project, sir, I am good in Java. So what happens after that? The person may ask you, what was your project, etc., etc., what kind of internship you did, etc. Or the person may ask you a few questions of Java also, if the person is having some knowledge in that. Second thing, you will have to talk about your soft skills also. If you are having dedication, hard work, anything extra, very punctual, very sincere, etc. Sir, why don't you teach other subjects of CSE? Because I want to be best whatever I teach. I just want to be like any educator who can teach everything but cannot teach in the perfection. So when you teach a course for 100 times, then only it becomes perfect. And hence, this is the case. When you learn, you will always get each and every concept, whatever I'm teaching. Otherwise, I will not teach anything. Okay, so these are the two things you are going to say. These are the two things, two types of skills you have. And based on that, you can prove that you can be a good asset to the organization. Chalo, ready for the next one? Are you guys fine? So many people are live here. Please keep liking the session if you are enjoying and learning. Session को like तो कर ही दो यार. What does success mean to you? Definition of success may be different for different people. For you, what is the meaning of success? What happened to... Okay, I am trying to recover it. Once it will be recovered, I'll tell you. What happens now? Students' demand will be always never ending. If I say I can teach all the computer science courses in the perfect manner, you will say, sir, you teach us master's courses also. Then you will say, sir, you teach Java also, you teach Python also, these programming language also. Sir, you teach this also, you teach this technology also, you teach that technology also. It is like never ending demand. But I just want to teach those things which I can convey to you guys in the perfect manner, so that whenever you will seek my help, I will always be giving you the best of the content. Not like I'm just teaching you something and you are just understanding a little bit of that. Nothing will happen and never will happen. Financial security. Okay. To be satisfied with my work and knowledge gained. Okay. Respect in society, financial freedom. That's good. That's good. Need your advice. Okay. For masters after 3 years gap. No problem at all. You can. No problem. If you have gap, it is fine if you can reach to a really good college for masters. There is no any problem in that. No problem at all. Nobody will ask you in the placements after the master that why the 3 years gap. If you can say that I was preparing for GATE dedicatedly and because of that I am having little gap. No problem at all. History, economics also. Yes. Okay. So what is the success? See, I'll tell you, success is having different definition for everybody. Some person says that success means getting minimum 20 lakh per annum package. Some people say success means getting minimum 50 lakh per annum package. Some people say success means before 30 reaching to the third level of hierarchy in the software domain or senior software engineer level. Some people says that success means having a great job in a great company, a big company. Over there I can project my skills, and I can show off to the other world also that I work in this company. Some people say success means getting a satisfied life with work and life balance, with money and happiness balanced, with time to work also, time to excel in the technical skills also, plus time to enjoy with the family also. So it's all about, how the success meaning, or what the meaning of success for you. You will have to tell your own story. If somebody says, what is the success mean to you, to me? The success means the hearts you guys tell or send here. The success means all the dedication heads you guys sent me. The success means all the comments you guys are giving in the YouTube videos. All the love and support I am getting from the community of the students. That is my success. Along with, of course, two things I will include, or I will try to include in my portfolio of success. The first thing is, I just want to show to those people who say that teaching is not a good career, you will not get a good money. Then I just want to show them that if you are good in your skills, you can get sufficient amount of money in teaching skills also, in the teaching field also. You can reach to the top in teaching world also. And the second thing I want to include is, I am having the definition of success is this way, that I am always getting opportunity to learn. I am always getting opportunity to excel in my skill set. I don't want to stuck on certain level and just don't want to work same to same every day. I just want an opportunity to work. I just want an opportunity to learn, and that is my success. If I am working somewhere, and if I'm working in such a way that I'm getting enough amount of money, I'm getting enough amount of time to have my own family time, lifetime, plus I am getting opportunity to learn and improve my skill set, that is my success. Of course, along with that, we will be having automatically the the social what should I say, status also, the social name and fame also, of course. So if you guys are fine with this one, which book to follow for GATE preparation? Shubham Mishra, go to the channel, go to the video section, and go to a video called as All About GATE Computer Science IT. All About GATE CSIT. Around that video, after that video, a few more videos I have taken, I have recorded on the same channel about how to prepare and what to understand or what to point out during your preparation of GATE Computer Science. The thing, success is not coming, it always changing. If you have got your dream but you don't satisfied with that, then it's not success. Success is all again very subjective answer. It's all about your own happiness. Sometimes people are being happy only with the name, the power. Sometimes people are feeling happy or satisfied with only money. People are feeling satisfied with amount of work or quality of work they are doing. So it's all about different answers and different things. Agla. What was the most difficult decision you have made in your past life? The most difficult decision. If you have taken certain more number of decisions, then you can talk about the most recent one or the most difficult one, which was more challenging for you. Answer. We have got whatever we wanted. You are happy with that. This is success for you. Answer. You are thinking about it. See, when you don't step into the professional life, till then it is very difficult to have such kind of situation where you will have to take most tough decisions. Sometimes most of the people are, most of the students are not facing such kind of situations at all. Choosing the JEE preparation, but what was the difficulty in that? Decision of taking admission in engineering, that was the most difficult decision. But why? You will have to justify also. Immediately you will get a cross question. If you say this, then why? Immediately. So it happens that most of the students are not having such situation, but a small decision also which made you struggle a little bit. Sir, my most difficult decision was to send a message to my friend that tomorrow onwards we will not talk to each other. Blocking my best friend on social media, that was my most difficult decision. ऐसा मत बोलना, please don't say like that way, please. These are not the decisions. These are the lifestyle choices. Medical versus engineering. Now I am preparing for GATE and not understanding other subjects which are not in GATE. Okay, medical versus engineering, choosing JEE preparation. Fine. See, you guys can talk about this, that most difficult decision I was having to choose between two branches of engineering. Should I take electronics or computer science? Should I take mechanical or computer science? Should I take the core branches or electronics or computer science? Like this way you can talk if you don't have anything. The most difficult decision I have taken in my life to select an engineering college. See, you can make a story out of it. Of course, the interviewer does not know your own story. Interviewer कोई research करके नहीं आया है आपकी story पे. So you can create your own story if you don't have such kind of answer. You can create one. Sir, I was having two options to select for my engineering college. One was very close to my house. One was little away from my house. And for that, I had to shift to another city. So I had to take a hard decision that I will shift in another city or I'll take admission in this college only. And based on that, based on different scenarios and based on the suggestions of the family members, I have taken this decision that I'll take admission in this college only. I will take admission in this branch only. If somebody will ask me what was my biggest decision, I'll say three decisions are the big decisions I am having in my life, which are like very, very big. The first decision was to give up on my medical line career and starting the engineering. I have taken biology in the 12th exam. Additionally, math I have learned. And then from there, I have changed my entire career direction from medical line, MBBS line to engineering. That was the very difficult decision for me. Reasons were there, financial reasons were there, my health reasons were there, health issues I was having. So I could not shift to other city to prepare for the pre-medical test, etc. Second big decision I have taken was to leave the software industry and to shift into GATE teaching. That was another big decision just because at that time I was earning well and I was having a good career going. But I was not satisfied with my work over there just because I was not enjoying the work there. So I have shifted my focus towards teaching only. Big decision just because most of the time people will choose money over the satisfaction of the work. I have chosen the other way and I came to the teaching. The third decision I have taken, which was very hardest, was to shift completely from offline to online classes. Again, a big decision just because at that time online classes were not so on peak. Offline classes were stopped because of pandemic. So I was stuck into a big decision. What if I will not be able to perform well? What if I will not be able to do well in the online classes? What if I'll not enjoy my teaching in the online classes just because I have left my entire software career because of teaching only? And if I will not enjoy my teaching, then what I'll do? So somehow you will have to have such kind of difficult situation decisions with you, just because these will prove, you know, your mental strength, that how good you are in taking the decisions. Decision making is one of the greatest quality of any engineer, one of the greatest quality, I'm telling you. Okay, and if you have a good decision making skills, that will help you a lot in growing into the industry, just because when you will have to take lots of decisions on daily basis, when you take the tough decisions to learn more, to put yourself in difficult situation, rather than just running away from the difficult situations, will make both win-win situation, you also and the organization also. Organization also will be relying on you a lot, just because organization get a lot of work out of you, and you will also get more opportunity and more work and more benefits from the organization. So New India is having a really, really good answer here. My most difficult decision was to prepare for GATE and JEE, which increased the pressure over me. My workload decreased, my fun time, stress got increased. Me had to quit other things like going out with friends, watching movies, playing video games, outdoor games, attending parties, etc., etc. Now, New India, if you can include or add your good result in this particular line, then that will be like icing on the cake. सोने पे सुहागा वाली बात, कि अगर आपने कहा कि आई हैव गिवन अप all the fun activities during my college time to prepare for GATE, and see, this is my GATE score, I am satisfied with amount of work I have put for my GATE preparation, then definitely it will be really, really great and impactful on the interviewer, that yes, you have given up the things and you have proven that whatever you have, chosen, that decision you have made or justified actually. That's great. That is really, really good answer. You can give such kind of answer also. And if companies are coming around your GATE preparation itself, you are not yet done with the GATE preparation, you can project to the company that, sir, most probably I am going to get a really good rank this year. You can say, but can't say. It's a competitive exam, but most probably I'll be satisfied with my preparation level at the end of the season. Like this way you can say. One more thing, you cannot project your GATE preparation a lot in the interviews in your college. Let's say in final year, a company is coming and that company is seeking for the employees. You cannot project that I am too much into GATE preparation, I want to go for masters or DRDO or PSU admission, etc., etc. Company will not take you. So you'll have to give yourself in such a way, or you'll have to present yourself in such a way that yes, you are preparing for GATE. Okay, fine, if they know about it, but you are not going to join anything else apart from that company. Why? Just because you are having some financial dependencies, or you are learning for GATE just because to learn the courses in detail. That's it. My motive is to prepare for GATE is to learn the courses in more detail. That's it. Chalo, another question. This is you don't know answer of. How do you handle stress, pressure and anxiety? You can't. That's why you come to my class. Sir, बहुत प्रेशर है, अभी क्या करें? सर, एंजाइटी होती है, क्या करें? But still you can. सर, मैं पढ़ने में फोकस नहीं कर पाता हूँ. वन डे पढ़ता हूँ, सेकेंड डे फिर नहीं पढ़ पाता हूँ. मैं फर्स्ट ईयर में हूं, मेरा मैं गेट क्लियर करूं. दर्शन खरे, अगर पढ़ने में फोकस एक बार में नहीं होता है, पोमोडोरो टेक्निक लगाओ. पढ़ो 45 मिनट्स, 50 मिनट्स, 10 मिनट एक्टिव ब्रेक, देन 50 मिनट पढ़ो, 10 मिनट एक्टिव ब्रेक. डेडलाइन रखो अपने लिए, और एक साथ 12-12 घंटे, 10-10 घंटे पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. 5-6 घंटे पढ़ो, 4 घंटे पढ़ो, 3 घंटे पढ़ो. 3 आवर्स पढ़ोगे, 3 आवर्स में आप 2 आवर्स पढ़ लो, 15 मिनट का गैप ला लो, फिर 1 घंटा पढ़ लो और 10 मिनट का गैप ले लो. ऐसे पढ़ लो, कंटिन्यूस मत पढ़ो. मुझे कोडिंग का बेसिक्स ही आता है, बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम भी बना लेता हूँ, मुझे आईटी फील्ड में जॉब ही नहीं मिल पा रही, जॉब के लिए डायरेक्ट बैंगलोर जाएंगे तो क्या जॉब मिल सकती है? ऋतिक जी, अभी डायरेक्ट बैंगलोर आने से भी प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना कि कंपनीज काम कर रही हैं घर से, वर्क फ्रॉम होम। मोस्ट ऑफ द कंपनीज, हो सकता है अप्रैल में वो स्टार्ट करें ऑफलाइन ऑफिसेस, बट आपको जो वॉक इन इंटरव्यूज होते हैं ना, वो वॉक इन इंटरव्यूज भी अभी इंटरव्यूज इंडस्ट्री में चल नहीं रहे बहुत ज्यादा। बैंगलोर में मोस्ट ऑफ द ऑफिसेस में सिर्फ और सिर्फ सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स ही मिलेंगे तुमको, एम्प्लॉयज हैं ही नहीं, तो इंटरव्यू कौन लेगा तुम्हारा? यहां आने से, जॉब सर्च करने से अभी फायदा नहीं है। आपको या तो कोई सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्स लेना चाहिए या फिर कुछ ऑफलाइन कैंपस इंटरव्यूज में अप्लाई करना चाहिए। बहुत सारे ऑफलाइन कैंपस इंटरव्यूज की पोस्टिंग आते रहती है, उनमें अप्लाई करो, थोड़ा अपनी स्किल सेट को इंप्रूव करो, हो सकता है इंटरव्यू निकले। या फिर कोई ऐसा एक जॉब सर्टिफिकेशन का कोर्स होता है वो ले लो, जहां से आपको जॉब मिलने की पॉसिबिलिटी हो पाए। आप चाहे कितने ही अच्छे हों, आपको जॉब के लिए इंटरव्यू अपॉर्चुनिटी बहुत मुश्किल से मिलेगी, क्योंकि ऑफलाइन में आपका रिज्यूमे सही हाथों तक पहुंचने के पहले आपके जैसे लाखों स्टूडेंट्स के रिज्यूमे वो रोज स्कैन करते हैं। चलो आंसर बताओ इस क्वेश्चन का। टेल मी द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। हाउ डू यू हैंडल प्रेशर, स्ट्रेस एंड एंजाइटी इन योर रेगुलर लाइफ? आदित्य आनंद, ISRO, I see ISRO notifications are not so regular or consistent that they will give the notification at this time of the year, etc. Whenever they feel they have some vacancies, then only they give the notification, otherwise not. Sometimes twice in a year they have, sometimes once in 2 years, 3 years also. So it depends all about when they'll be having some kind of opportunity or some kind of vacancy, then only they'll be giving you notification. There is no any consistency. I used to think about my dream during obstacles. Okay. Sir, I watch a lecture of my favorite teacher like you, which motivates me, think of all my dream which I want to achieve, the recognition of society which I want to gain. 42 marks, no, मुश्किल है. Okay, first of all, you know why the stress? Work stress or study stress? Just because you don't enjoy your approach or your regular life. When you don't like your regular life, you want to be something else, but you are stuck in a situation where you don't want to be, you are always feeling pressured or stressed. Like I used to have the same feeling in my IT industry job. That's why I left it. I was not enjoying the work. Hence, even though I was working for 6-7 hours also, I was thinking like, I am sitting here because of the pressure of something. किसी ने जबरदस्ती मुझे यहां बिठा दिया है. And because of that, I was always stressed out and pressurized. So if you don't like to do whatever you are doing, then you will never ever be feeling relaxed or less stressed. So first thing, if you have a hectic schedule, you will have to convince your mind that this is my life and this is gonna be forever. When we convince ourselves that, okay, this is gonna be forever, then no problem at all. Nothing, no any tension, no any problem. Okay, so how will you give the answer about all these things? You will say, sir, I like and enjoy my current work a lot. And hence, I feel very less pressurized in the work, just because I have convinced myself and my mind and my heart that 8 hours a day, 9 hours a day, consistent preparation of something or consistent working is the regular routine. So when I convince myself that yes, this is my regular routine, I never felt like, oh, this is too much, yaar. This is too much. And because of that, I never feel it like that way that I am into pressure or stress of something. Just because I enjoy my work, I enjoy my regular routine. I am happy with the regular routine, whatever I am having, whether it is hectic or whatever. It has changed a lot since last 2 years. I have left all my enjoyment, etc., of college life or first year's school life, etc. But just because we will have to be in this situation for the rest of the life, I have convinced myself in my mind that okay, this is fine, this is the regular routine I will have to go through daily to daily to daily. And because of that, I feel very less pressurized and stressed out. Sometimes anxiety happens when you are afraid of the future results, but I try to keep myself calm with the help of irregular exercises, yoga, or maybe music, or some kind of meditation, etc. When I feel too much stressed out because of some other activities, then I try to keep myself away for a few minutes from entire world, and I just deep think about my motivations, about my motives and objectives of my life, and which drives me to work more, and which drives me to keep pressure and anxiety and stress away. Like this way you can. Software testing is okay, but if you can get developer job, that will be better. Development job is better than the software testing. Chalo. What is your greatest fear? तो क्या करूं? प्रिपेयर नहीं करूं? प्रिपेयर तो करो, बट पता नहीं है कि इसरो का कोई भी नोटिफिकेशन कब आएगा. प्रिपेयर करते रहो, कुछ कहीं और भी वो टेक्निकल नॉलेज काम आएगा. I used to call people who had got great achievement during my obstacle. They used to support me always. That's good sign up. जॉब सर्टिफिकेशन कहां से करना चाहिए ये तुम पे डिपेंड करता है बेटा. सब तुम पे डिपेंड करता है. ये तुम्हें एक्सप्लोर करना है कि तुम्हें क्या सीखना है, कैसे सीखना है, कहां से सीखना है, कितना पैसा डालना है और वहां से क्या अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल सकती है. इट्स ऑल अप टू यू. What is the answer of this question? What is your greatest fear? सर मेरा गेट क्वालिफाई नहीं हुआ 2 साल से, बट मुझे गेट में बहुत इंटरेस्ट है उसके क्वेश्चंस बनाने में. मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है, अगर गेट में अच्छा रैंक लेके अच्छे आईआईटी में पहुंच गया तो प्लेसमेंट हो. आदित्य ठीक है, यू कैन डू दैट. ट्रिपल आई टी हैदराबाद इज ऑल्सो देयर. बिट्स पिलानी का एग्जाम है, एंड मणिपाल MIT मणिपाल का एग्जाम आप दे सकते हैं. इनमें भी एडमिशन ले सकते हैं अगर आप चाहे तो मास्टर्स के लिए. ऋतिक, अगर आप गेट प्रिपरेशन करके और अच्छे कॉलेज में पहुंच जाते हैं, किसी भी बिट्स पिलानी या MIT मणिपाल में भी पहुंचते हैं, तो भी वहां से अच्छा पैकेज निकाल सकते हो इजीली. प्लेसमेंट तो आराम से हो ही जाएगा. अच्छी थोड़ी प्रिपरेशन करनी पड़ेगी, थोड़ी कोडिंग प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी ज्यादा लेवल की. चलो आंसर बताओ. व्हाट इज योर ग्रेटेस्ट फियर? एंड कीप लाइकिंग द सेशन. माई ग्रेटेस्ट फियर इज, विल आई बी गेटिंग अ जॉब विच आई लव और नॉट? ओके. How can you judge before getting a job? My honesty towards the work is your greatest fear. Okay. Please, sir, about data science AI, which type of work is done in IT? Soumya Malik, I cannot answer that question right now in this session just because it's a very, very different and detailed answer. You can search it online. There are so many videos about it. What is your greatest fear? Sometimes it happens that you have certain expectations, okay, from your work, and from the amount of work you can do. When those expectations and reality doesn't match, those two things don't match, expectations and reality, that mismatch will make you unhappy, and sometimes you are afraid of that. So if you are expecting that your amount of work will be really good, and if you don't get it, you will not be you will be unhappy, and of course you will be afraid of losing the job. Vice versa is also true. Sometimes the amount of work given to you is too hard from your skill set, and you are not able to match your skill set with that kind of work, and because of that you will be having a fear of getting out of that particular job or from that particular opportunity. That is also one of the way where you can say that okay, it is a fear of my failure or my greatest fear. ऐसा नहीं बोलना है कि सर हमको आंख से डर लगता है, ऊंचाई से डर लगता है, सर हमको अंधेरे से डर लगता है. प्लीज ऐसा नहीं कहिएगा. Don't say like this, sir, I am afraid of going into dark, sir. I am afraid in the nights when I am getting up in the nights and some kind of sound is coming from my fridge, sir. I am afraid of heights. I am afraid of, dogs or cats, like that way. You can't say like that way, okay? So you need to talk about some soft skills here. That what is your greatest fear? You can talk about your work, you can talk about the future, what is going to be in the future, etc., etc. Uncertainty in the future can be one of the greatest fear. Sometimes people are not so adaptable, so they say that, sir, I am not too much adaptable with very dynamic situations, and because of that I am afraid that how will I work in the industry. But again, you cannot talk about this just because it can be wrong for you. Okay, otherwise the person will say, if you are not very adaptable in the dynamic situation, if new problem comes every day to you, how will you survive and how you will be happy? If you will not be happy, you will leave the job. So don't talk about that too. Okay, so the questions of the day are over. Tomorrow again we will meet with some more questions, and day after tomorrow we will try to go into some other direction. We will have some other type of questions. Okay, what kind of questions we'll be having tomorrow I will announce. So stay tuned till tomorrow's classes, just because day after tomorrow we are going to have some different kind of questions which can give you another level of learning, etc. This is the Telegram channel. If you haven't joined, please join it, just because you're gonna get all the notifications, classes link and announcements and everything from us. If you are really interested in GATE preparation, I am telling you guys since long that take Unacademy Plus subscription, and you guys are having an opportunity to take Unacademy Plus subscription with 20% discount. This is a very, very rare opportunity. And one more thing, again, the prices are going to rise soon. So less prices, in that to 20% discount, take the subscription as soon as possible. Use this code VDEEP10 so that you can get discount along with my personal guidance and my team's support. If you want to learn for GATE preparation along with me in my guidance, take the subscription using this code and come on Unacademy Plus quickly. My course is also starting on COA, on Plus. Lots of benefits will be there. 23rd March is the starting time, 3 to 5 will be the timing. So take the subscription plus subscription early with good discount. Start the course COA along with me on Unacademy Plus. If you want to take more personalized and customized preparation, then go for Iconic subscription. Over there you can get Unacademy Plus benefits and you can get personal coach, more personalized and customized preparation. Whichever duration plan you will take it as soon as possible, just because till tomorrow only the offer is. New batches also starting from tomorrow, Wednesday. Yes, my dear friend. And if you want to take only Unacademy subscription for test series, there is another subscription, Unacademy Lite. That Unacademy Lite subscription you can take in 999 and 1999 for 1 year and 2 year before 19th of March. After 19th of March, the prices will be $14.99 and $24.99. If you want to get more scholarship for Unacademy plus subscription, you can write our scholarship test. This is gonna be different than the regular scholarship test. In the regular combat scholarship test, we used to ask questions of computer science, all the subjects, CO, operating systems, DBMS, etc., etc., etc. This time we are going to ask questions only on aptitude and mathematics. 50 questions, 60 minutes, and if you are in the toppers, you are going to get up to 100% scholarship. Name of the test is Unacademy Scholarship for GATE, and this particular test link is given in the description. If not, then on the Telegram channel, definitely there is a link. Go to the link, enroll for it using this code. Freely it can be, but this test is gonna be on Sunday. This Sunday, yes, this Sunday 11 a.m. you are going to have a test. This one. If you have liked the video, please like it, share it with all of your friends, subscribe the channel, turn on the notification, and thank you so much for listening this particular video. Keep learning happily and keep building your career so that you can always be happy, satisfied, and always be happy with learning. Thank you so much. See you in the next session. Bye-bye.